I guess you already know. You've already seen it playing over in your mind.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa may landingan viewpoint. Ganda sobra ng view. Nakakapagod lang kasi dire-diretso yung taas.
I get that feeling we'll be going through the night. Am I right? We must never go backwards, 'cause it don't seem the natural way to go.
Okay, so pababa na kami ngayon. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa next spot. Hindi ko alam kung ilang steps to eh. Napakaingay ng dalawa sa likod, pambihira. Da! Ba't ka ba kasi hindi sumama?
I'll take you with me, there ain't a limit. I'll treat you unlike some other guy. I'll take you this ain't life, it's meant for living. Girl, stick with me and you'll be alright. So what do you know? So ready begin.
So ito pinatry ko kay Sir Carlo yung FPV drone ko. Ito siya naglalaro doon.
She's a no-go home, so you better give in. Yeah, you can look but you can taste the sweet perfume. We must never go backwards, 'cause it is not the natural way to go. No, I can't think of a bad word to say about you, the things you do. You better look up, 'cause I'll take you with me, there ain't a limit. I'll treat you unlike some other guy. I'll take you this ain't life, it's meant for living. Girl, stick with me and you'll be alright. I'll take you stick with me and you'll be alright.
But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little well, I know right now you can
Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Diamond Cave. Papasok na kami doon at mababasa po ang mga legs namin. Sana wala kaming linta na ma-encounter. So, Daniel, ito pala yung mamimiss out mo. Sino ba si Daniel? Yun pala yung isa naming kaibigan na dapat kasama ngayon. Kaya lang nag-back out siya. Okay, nakakatawa yun. Nakuntog. Huli sa camera. Sana makuntog ulit sa camera.
And my family lives in a different state.
Kung may stalagmite tsaka stalactite, paano pag galing siya sa gilid?
Pwede stalagside.
Okay, nakakatawa yun.
You will not relate. So if you don't know what
Nakalabas na po kami dito sa kuweba. So yung tawag sa kanya is Diamond Cave. Ang daming lamok dito sa paglabas naman. Da! May nakita akong butas. Yung mga gusto natin. Sa start ng rapids. Ito yung pinaka-exciting na part dito sa Quirino. Hindi mo magagawa sa ibang lugar. Diba? Diba? Diba?
Rivers and roads, oh rivers and roads, oh rivers till I reach you. Rivers and roads, rivers till I reach you. till I